These words very, so, really, stop using them in IELTS. They sound monotonous. By the way, that's another way of saying very boring. Today I'm going to give you words that can help you change your vocabulary phenomenally in just one day. You will see that your language will become richer and more impressive. Vary itself is not a bad word at all, but when you are preparing yourself for IELTS, you need some extra bank of vocabulary that you can use in a variety of situations that can make your language look a little natural, more lifelike, and colorful. So what we're going to do today is expand our vocabulary by avoiding the use of very, so, and really. Just check it out. If it is cold, you would say it's cold. But when the temperature is a little lower than that, you would say very cold. But how about if you say bitterly cold? Or if it's very hot, instead of saying very hot, you may say boiling hot or sizzling hot. Just a change of these words, strong adjectives, can help you change your vocabulary instantly. You have to go out of your comfort zones and expand and enrich your vocabulary. But it won't happen in a day. You'll have to add some of these words every day, minimally. Because if you try to learn all of these words together, probably this is going to be tough and impossible. The strategy is to learn minimally and practice them more. I'm going to show you some badges or groups of words. Focus each group every day, pause the video and write down those words on a piece of paper or on a notebook. Once you're done, move to the second group and keep going until you finish all of this vocabulary. And by the end, you will see your language has become richer. Once again, try fewer words every day. If you can think of more words that can replace really, so, and very that this video does not cover, please add them in the comments below and help others. Best of luck!